and I think it's critical that we become ready for our later years. How many people fail to accomplish that and, regrettably, live miserable lives in their latter years? Maintaining a healthy, fit physique is one of the most efficient strategies to prepare for our latter years. Weak legs are among the first symptoms your body sends you when it's beginning to malfunction. Did you know that? It goes beyond simply feeling unstable on your feet or having trouble climbing stairs. It serves as a warning that you could lose your freedom, movement, and even longevity. Here's the startling bit though. You don't have to live like this. What if I told you that you could not only halt, but even reverse this deterioration with the correct diet, exercise, and a few easy habits? What you're going to hear could permanently alter the way you age, so stay with me. Please let us know where you are viewing this video and what health-related issue you would like to see covered in the next one before we begin. We appreciate you being here with us today. Subscribers will receive 100 complimentary copies of my best-selling book. Please click the subscribe button and post a comment explaining why you would like to win my best-selling book, if you haven't already. Growing older can feel like a gradual betrayal. You can be running marathons one day and have trouble getting off the couch the next. However, it's not necessary to lose strength, balance, or mobility. No matter your age, there are easy, scientifically supported methods to maintain strong legs, good balance, and a youthful appearance. The greatest nutrient-rich foods to fuel your strength, the reasons why leg muscles weaken with time, and the precise workouts to increase stability and balance will all be covered in this video. You'll have all you need by the end to not just slow down, but also thrive as you age. Let's get started. Additionally, the human growth hormone improves blood flow to the skin. As a result, aging is now slowed down. It makes sense that Hollywood stars spend $1,000 each week on this human growth hormone, since their careers depend on their looking nice, and you can see that it makes you look good. I often asked how frequently I work out. Because I desire that human growth hormone, I say daily, daily, daily. What do you put on your skin, Barbara? People ask. Which moisturizer do you use? I say nothing at all. What I do? I work out every morning and spend my money on high-quality nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oils, as well as your delicious cold-pressed coffee. What if I didn't get my human growth hormone every day? Why does aging cause leg muscles to weaken? Let's begin with a major query. Why does aging cause our legs to weaken? It's about what's going on within your body, not just about growing older. We begin to lose muscle mass at a rate of roughly 5% every 10 years after the age of 30. After age 60, this process known as sarcopenia accelerates even more, but it involves more than simply muscle loss. Your joints lose their cushioning, your bones grow less dense, and your nerves' ability to communicate with your muscles is compromised. The outcome? Weakness, instability, and an increased risk of falls, which, incidentally, are the reason why older persons die from injuries. Here's the good news, though. Understanding the three main topics we'll be discussing today, diet, exercise, and lifestyle choices, is the first step in fighting back. Let's dissect it. The significance of healthy, powerful legs for longevity and general well-being. Let's now discuss why having strong, healthy legs is so important for lifespan and general well-being. Consider your legs to be a house's foundation. The entire structure is at risk if the foundation is shaky. The base of your body is your legs. They actually carry you through life, yet their significance extends well beyond mere mobility. A longer, healthier life is closely correlated with having strong legs. This is the reason. First, the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, some of the biggest muscles in your body, are located in your legs. There's more to these muscles than meets the eye. Your entire body is supported by these powerful machines. When these muscles are strong, they relieve joint pressure, lower your chance of injury, and support good posture. However, everything else begins to suffer when they become weaker. More strain is placed on your hips and knees, which can result in arthritis and pain. Your general mobility deteriorates, making it more difficult to remain active and independent, and your lower back compensates, frequently leading to persistent discomfort. However, physical health is not the only factor. Another important factor in cardiovascular health is having strong legs. With each stride you take, the muscles in your legs pump blood back up to your torso, functioning as a second heart. This is particularly crucial as you become older, because poor circulation can cause a number of issues such as blood clots and swelling ankles. You're essentially aiding your heart by maintaining strong leg muscles, which improve blood flow and lower your risk of heart disease. Not to be overlooked is equilibrium. The body's first line of defense against falls, which are a major cause of damage and even death for older adults, is having strong legs. Millions of adults over 65 experience falls each year, and many of them never fully recover. Here's the problem though. Falls are more than just mishaps. They frequently come from poor balance and weak legs. In addition to increasing your stability, strengthening your legs will shield you from one of the main dangers to your independence. The effect that powerful legs have on your head, however, may be the most unexpected advantage. Leg strength and cognitive function are tightly related, according to studies. Stronger legs were associated with greater memory and problem-solving abilities in older persons, according to a study published in the journal Gerontology. Why? Because your brain receives messages from your leg muscles that encourage the growth of new neurons. Put another way, having strong legs can really help you maintain a youthful brain. The lifespan factor comes next. People with stronger legs live longer, healthier lives, according to numerous studies. Leg power was proven to be a more accurate indicator of aging than any other biomarker, including blood pressure or cholesterol levels, according to a King's College London study. Why an active, involved lifestyle that maintains your body and mind in top shape is indicated by strong legs. Therefore, maintaining leg strength involves more than merely avoiding aches and pains. We're discussing ways to prolong your life, strengthen your intellect, safeguard your heart, and maintain your independence. You are taking care of your future self by taking good care of your legs, which are the engine that propels your body. The part diet plays in preserving leg strength. Since diet has a significant impact on preserving muscle strength and mobility, let's start with nutrition. Let's start with protein. Protein makes up your muscles, and as you age, your body's ability to use it effectively to grow and repair muscle deteriorates. For this reason, older folks require more protein than younger adults. Every day, try to consume between 1.2 and 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and dairy are excellent sources. Don't stop there though. Combine foods high in omega-3 fatty acids such as walnuts, flax seeds, and salmon with your protein. By lowering inflammation, omega-3 fatty acids can help shield your muscles and joints. Let's now discuss calcium and vitamin D. When it comes to bone health, these two are like the dynamic pair. Your body cannot effectively absorb calcium if you don't get enough vitamin D, which might weaken your bones and increase your risk of fractures. Sunlight, fatty fish, and fortified meals are good sources of vitamin D, but many individuals require supplements, particularly during the winter months. Foods high in calcium, such as leafy greens, dairy, and almonds, are also vital. Let's not overlook antioxidants just yet. Antioxidants found in foods like berries, spinach, and almonds help prevent oxidative stress, which is a key cause of muscle aging. It is essential that you consume water. I will not be able to walk in the morning because I faint, a woman told me. Well, do you have water? I asked. No, I don't like water, she answered. You must have water, therefore. Water is necessary for the body. However, once your body begins to function after drinking that water in the morning and going for a walk, it requires additional food. The route is traversed by very little glucose molecules, through the pathway and plucked. It's an amazing process. Lastly, never undervalue the importance of being hydrated. Since water makes up around 75% of your muscles, even minor dehydration can cause weakness and exhaustion. Drink 8 glasses of water or more if you're an active person. Let's take a closer look at several meals that can support the maintenance of muscle mass and leg strength. Consider including these additional nutrient-dense foods in your diet. Eggs, because they include all 9 of the key amino acids your body needs to create and repair muscle. Eggs are a complete protein source. Leucine, an amino acid essential to the production of muscle protein, is also abundant in them. Eggs can also be easily added to any meal because of their versatility. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has microorganisms that help maintain digestive health in addition to being strong in protein. By enhancing nutrition absorption, a healthy gut may guarantee that your muscles receive the fuel they require. To stay away from additional sugars, choose simple, unsweetened options. Salmon. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse. Omega-3 fatty acids, which lower inflammation and promote muscle recovery, and high-quality protein are abundant in it. Strong bones are promoted by the vitamin D in salmon, which also helps with calcium absorption. Quinoa. This ancient grain is rich in complex carbs and full protein, giving you long-lasting energy for your workouts. Magnesium, a mineral that promotes muscular function and recuperation, is also abundant in it. Lentils. One excellent plant-based source of protein is lentils. Additionally, they include a lot of fiber, which helps control blood sugar levels and prolong feelings of fullness. If you're attempting to maintain a healthy weight while maintaining muscle mass, this can be especially helpful. Almonds. A healthy snack for muscles is almonds. They are high in protein, good fats, vitamin E, and an antioxidant that helps prevent oxidative stress-induced muscle damage. An ideal post-workout snack is a handful of almonds, seeds from pumpkins, packed with magnesium, healthy fats, and protein. These seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. Pumpkin seeds are a fantastic addition to your diet because magnesium is essential for both muscular contraction and relaxation. By including these items in your diet, you're providing your body with the resources it needs to remain robust, strong, and mobile as you age, in addition to fueling your muscles. It's not about eating one, remember? Miracle. Food is about establishing a nutrient-rich, well-balanced diet that promotes both muscle maintenance and general wellness. Exercise helps build stronger legs and better balance, but eating well is only half the fight. You must move, but not just any movement, to maintain strong legs and good balance. Particular workouts that focus on coordination, strength, and stability. First, let's do some strength training. Rebuilding muscle mass and increasing bone density can be achieved by lifting weights or utilizing resistance bands. Concentrate on leg working activities such as leg lifts, lunges, and squats. As you gain strength, progressively raise the weight from a lighter starting point. Let's now discuss balance. Exercises that test your stability are among the best methods to increase your balance. After 30 seconds of standing on one leg, try standing on the other. Close your eyes or stand on a cushion or other soft surface if that's too simple. Additionally, yoga and tai chi are excellent for enhancing coordination and balance. Rebounding is another entertaining one. Yes, exactly. On a miniature trampoline, jumping. Rebounding is a low-impact exercise that is very good for strengthening leg muscles, increasing lymphatic drainage, and improving balance. It's also a lot more enjoyable than conventional workouts. Let's finally discuss walking. It's one of the greatest things you can do for your legs and general health, and it's easy and costs nothing. On most days of the week, try to get in at least 30 minutes of vigorous walking. Try including intervals if you're feeling daring. To increase your heart rate and endurance, alternate between walking and running. However, let's take a closer look at two particular topics: calf workouts and the advantages of utilizing a rebounder. These are frequently disregarded, although they can significantly affect your general health, balance, and leg strength. Were you aware of your second heart? It's the muscle in your calf. Ever ponder the process by which blood returns to the heart? As you can see, the blood leaving your heart is known as your arterial system, and the blood returning to it is known as your venous system. It's the muscles in your calf, and I believe you'll concur with me that your calf muscles are always in motion after using the rebounder. Thus, the blood is being returned to your second heart. Rebounding works so well for varicose veins because of this. Do you not have varicose arteries? Your veins become varicose. The venous system is the one that is impacted. And for that reason, they tell you to move your foot on the plane, don't they? Because your calf muscle moves when you move your foot. How effective calf exercises are. Although they may appear to be the most glitzy muscles, your calves are vital for balance, movement, and general leg strength. Walking, running, and even standing all depend heavily on the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles in the calf. Strong muscles like these help you move forward, absorb impact, and keep your ankles stable. However, if they're weak, you're more likely to get shin splints, Achilles tendonitis, and even falls. So, how can you make your calves stronger? These are a few easy yet powerful calf lift exercises. This is the traditional calf workout. Place your feet shoulder width apart. Then slowly lift your heels off the floor and stand up on your toes. Hold for a moment, then drop again. Try performing this while holding weights or on one leg for an added difficulty. Leap for joy. Jumping rope is a great method to work out your heart and improve your calves. In addition to providing your calves a good burn, it increases endurance, agility, and coordination. Climbing stairs. This exercise strengthens your calves and glutes while increasing your cardiovascular fitness. Whether you're using a stair climber machine or simply ascending stairs, the soleus muscle, which is located beneath the gastrocnemius, can be effectively isolated with sitting calf raise machines if you have access to a gym. This muscle is essential for endurance and stability. Not only do strong calves enhance the appearance of your legs, they make daily tasks like walking and climbing stairs easier, enhance your posture, and lower your chance of injury. Furthermore, as we age, balance becomes more and more crucial, and strong calves are an essential part of this. I've concluded that individuals cease jumping as they get older. What's the proverb? We ought to leap for happiness. What makes the rebounder so strong then? Since I'm always curious as to why, three forces combine to produce the rebound. Three forces combine. Gravity is being defied by one force. Therefore, one of the forces is to defy gravity. Acceleration is another force that enters the picture. You are therefore speeding when you jump off the pad and into the air. Then you experience deceleration as soon as you reach the apex of your jump. Deceleration and acceleration then. The rebounding magic. Let's now discuss rebounding, a low-impact, high-reward workout that is becoming more and more well-liked due to its amazing advantages. Jumping on a miniature trampoline is a kind of rebounding. It may seem like child's play, but it's actually a powerful workout for your legs and general well-being. This explains why rebounding works so well, strengthens the muscles of the legs. Your leg muscles, particularly your calves, quadriceps, and glutes, contract each time you jump in order to propel you upward and cushion the landing force. Without overtaxing your joints, this repetitive motion increases your strength and stamina. Enhances coordination and balance. With each bounce, you are forced to stabilize your body, which gradually enhances your coordination and balance. For senior citizens who wish to lower their risk of falling, this is quite advantageous. Increases the outflow of lymph. The lymphatic system depends on movement to function, in contrast to the circulatory system, which uses the heart to pump blood. The lymphatic system is stimulated by rebounding, strengthening your immune system and aiding in your body's detoxification. Improves heart health. Rebounding is a great cardio exercise because it raises your heart rate. It boosts the amount of oxygen that reaches your cells, improves circulation, and decreases blood pressure. Minimal effect on joints. Rebounding is easier on your joints than jogging or leaping on hard surfaces. Much of the force is absorbed by the trampoline, which lowers the chance of damage while still offering a good exercise, enjoyable and alleviating of stress. Let's face it, rebounding is a lot of fun. Endorphins, which are released during the bouncing motion, might elevate your mood and lessen tension. It's also a fantastic way to inject some fun into your exercise regimen. All you need is a small trampoline and a few minutes each day to begin rebounding. Start with mild bounces and progressively up the ante as your strength and confidence grow. To keep things interesting, you can even include basic movements like twists or jumping jacks. Let's review. You don't have to lose your independence, strength, or balance as you age. Focusing on foods high in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants will help you protect your joints and power your muscles. Strength training, balancing drills, and exercises like rebounding can help you gain muscle, increase stability, and enhance your general health. Additionally, by maintaining consistency, you can not just slow down, but also thrive as you age. That concludes the day. If this video was useful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more advice on leading the strongest, healthiest life possible. Please leave a comment below if you need further guidance or if you have any questions. I appreciate you watching, and keep in mind that you should take care of your legs. I'll see you later. As usual, keep yourself informed and remain healthy.